The last time we checked out the Tozo NC9, I think we were pleasantly surprised that the earbuds performed well above expectation, and overall I think it was a really great earbud.
And then you came over and you showed me love that I never had seen before. Now, when I got you, it's all gonna be alright. Thinking about all the things we did tonight, what a time to be alive. Just you and I, just you and I. Only you can put the fire out. You can turn it all around.
Today we're taking a look at another take from Tozo on an ANC earbuds to see if this new model is the one you should be getting instead. So will they be any good? Welcome to a review of the Tozo NC2. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with a review of the Tozo NC2. So today's review unit is sent over to me from Tozo, and I want to give you my honest thoughts and opinions about these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about 60 US, and that's about 250 Malaysian ringgit, which is priced exactly like the Tozo NC9. So let's see if this new model is the model you want. If you're interested in buying these earbuds, do check out my links in the description below. So the NC2 is designed with simplicity in mind, and if you look at the case, it's a simple black plastic case with no complicated design around, and my first impression holding the case is that it actually has some weight to it, which is really nice. So at the top of the case you get a embossed Tozo branding there, which is super nice and stealthy, and at the back you get a button for you to check your battery percentage of the case. Below that you'll be getting a Type-C charging port, and when you plug it in, the 4 LEDs indicator in front will start to light up to indicate the battery percentage of the case. The lid opening action is also very smooth, and Tozo uses a standard friction lid that keeps the lid open in place for you to access your earbuds. And the earbuds inside is designed as a stem style earbuds this time, and the tip of the earbuds is shaped like the AirPods Pro, meaning that these earbuds will sit super comfortably in your ears. Speaking of the ear tips, you will be getting an in-ear sensor with the earbuds, so there's plenty of tech going on here. The stem of the earbuds and the touch sensor surface is made of a gloss black plastic finish, and right at the bottom here you get a tiny Tozo branding there, which is super tastefully placed, and I really like it a lot. So inside the touch sensor surface is a cleverly hidden LED indicator, which fortunately goes away when it connects to your phone, so it doesn't bother anyone around you. So with ANC, Tozo NC2 gives you about 6 hours of continuous playback time, and the case charges it up another 3 times, so you'll be getting additional 18 hours of playback time with the case. And with ANC off, you get about 8 hours of playback time and 24 additional hours with the case, which is about 32 hours in total. So no fast charging on these earbuds, but it takes about 1.5 hours to charge up the earbuds from empty and 2 hours to charge up the case. So the Tozo NC2 comes with a modern Bluetooth 5.2 chipset, which also supports the AAC and SBC codec. Super cool that a budget ANC earbuds does come with 5.2 chipset. So the earbuds also comes with an impressive IPX6 water resistant rating, meaning that it will protect your earbuds from water splashes, sweating in a gym, and even if you decide to run under heavy rain, these should hold up pretty well. And from my test, these earbuds also comes with a pretty seamless mono and stereo mode, so you'll be able to use either side out of the case, but because the earbuds comes with an in-ear sensor, so it will temporarily pause your media if you remove any side from your ears and put it back into the case. So just tap on play and it will continue playing on the other side. Lastly, there is no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds. So I've continued to be impressed with Tozo's ANC Performance, and I think it's really nice to see the trajectory of where budget earbuds are heading. Do take note that when you put these earbuds in your ears, it will always be in ANC off mode, so tap once on the left earbuds and it will go into transparency mode, and then tap once again, you go into full-on ANC. For most low humming noises, I think the NC2 does a fantastic job cutting most of the noise away. I noticed very faint wind noise from my fan, but for most use cases, the NC2 does a very good job. With music playing, you basically drown out most noises. For higher pitch noises and chatters, it'll significantly reduce their noises, and with music playing, you practically cannot hear what others are saying. With that said, you can tap once and turn on transparency mode, where the earbuds amplify external noises quite a bit, something like when you have superhuman hearing ability, so typing on my mechanical keyboard sounds super nice. So comparing it to other ANC earbuds, the Bose will give you about 90% effectiveness, and the TWS NB2 Pro scores about 80%, similar to the AirPods Pro and the Sony. And I think Tozo NC2 scores a respectable 75%, similar to the Soundcore Live A2NC. So let's talk about the part that really kind of blew me away, and the sound signature of the NC2 is super polished. Very high quality audio performance overall. Bass on these earbuds is impressive, giving you a strong and powerful punch that also rumbles, so very impressive stuff there. The clarity on these earbuds is not the brightest, but does a decently good job with giving you good mids and highs. In my opinion, it could be tuned just a tad bit brighter. Sound projection and staging, in my opinion, sounds insanely good and definitely gives you a super 3D feeling when you're playing games like PUBG. I can feel sound coming from the left, the front, the right, and even at the back of me. Lastly, these earbuds also does a great job with audio separation and gives your music a very nice immersive feel. So from a sound signature perspective, I think Tozo kinda nails it with this one. So this is a test to see if the Tozo NC2 is a good earbud for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so we can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So despite having that 5.2 chipset, I do notice a fairly detectable amount of latency when playing games like PUBG. Watching movies and videos are great on this, but if you want absolutely no delay when gaming, maybe you need to look somewhere else. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. Brands like Tozo are what makes me happy when it comes to their touch controls, and they have included all of the controls that you would possibly need. So to toggle between the ANC and transparency mode, simply tap once on the left earbud and you will hear it toggle between the different modes. So to play or pause media or pick up phone calls, you can tap once on the right earbuds and it will play or pause your media, simple there. To skip tracks forward, tap twice on the right earbuds and it will skip forward, and tap twice on the left earbuds to skip backwards. To increase the volume, tap and hold on the right earbuds and you will slowly increase your volume. And to lower the volume, tap and hold on the left earbuds and it will slowly lower your volume. And finally, to activate your assistant, tap 3 times on either side of the earbuds and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant. So very convenient stuff there. And overall, these are very simple, very complete set of controls by Tozo. For a budget-friendly ANC earbuds like the NC2, wow, I think Tozo did it again and gave you everything that you can ask for, and I think that these earbuds definitely gave me respect for the Tozo brand. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button and share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.